Pinangunahan ni Armed Forces of the Philippines Commander-in-Chief at Republic of the Philippines President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. ang acceptance turnover and blessing ceremony ng C-295 medium-lift aircraft at FA-50PH capability demonstration flight na ginanap sa Clark Air Base, Pampanga. Parte ng Philippine Air Force Medium-Lift Aircraft Acquisition Project ang pagkuha ng C-295 Medium-Lift Aircraft na layong pausayin ng Air Force Medium Tactical Airlift Requirement. Matatandaang ang kauna-unahang Airbus Defense at Space C-295 Medium-Lift Transport Aircraft ay nakuha noong March 28, 2022. Ang second aircraft ay noong November 1, 2022 at panghuli ang C-295 Medium-Lift Aircraft na nakuha lamang nitong Martes, March 7, 2023 na siyang kukumpleto sa Philippine Air Force Medium-Lift Aircraft Acquisition Project.
This aircraft will surely enhance our Air Force's capability to provide prompt and sustained air mobility operations to support troop transport, resupply missions, casualty evacuations, medical evacuations, aerial reconnaissance, and humanitarian and disaster relief operations.
Nagpahayag naman ng pag-asa ang ambassador ng Kingdom of Spain sa Pilipinas na si Miguel Utray Delgado sa patuloy na mabuting ugnayan sa pagitan ng Pilipinas at Spain higit pa sa capability development ng parehong sandatahang lakas. Kaugnay nito, binigyang diin din ni President Marcos Jr. ang kahalagahan ng revised AFP Modernization Program na layong pagtibayin ang defense system ng bansa. Nagpasalamat din ito sa Philippine Air Force sa matagumpay na acquisition program, gayon din sa Spain government sa tulong nito para sa bansa.
Through the additional C-295 aircraft, the AFP will be able to provide more responsive support to government agencies, especially in emergency situations, and on humanitarian assistance and disaster response operations. While this equipment will boost the readiness of our Air Force to respond to any contingency, there is still a need to further improve our capabilities to effectively cover our territory.
Para sa Pilipinas kong mahal, ito si Karagdagang para sa DWAY Sunshine Radio, kapartner mo sa balita at serbisyo.